Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar yen did end up continuing down. Yesterday, I was saying that it already made three waves up to a Fibonacci level. I mean, an impulsive up, breaker starts at wave A, one, two, three waves down, wave B, another impulsive up, wave C. It was a little tricky because the move down was definitely a little corrective looking at first, as in, like, it might end up pushing back up. But it definitely made three waves up right to a Fibonacci level, so it did exactly what I would expect it to do. If we go up to the higher time frames, the daily, we are actually right in the middle of two Fibonacci levels right now. I mean, it definitely still could go up, but I think that overall it's going to go down to the 78% and possibly even a lot lower than that. I think we are still in a downtrend on the very high time frames. So keeping that in mind, going back down to the shorter time frame, I have no idea whether it's going to start to move up now. But if it does start to move up now, then I would be excited, not to go long, but I would be excited because I know if it makes a nice three-way pullback, then I could go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I'm definitely recommending shorts, and I'm definitely not looking to go short right now. I'm only looking to go short on three-way pullbacks. Whether it makes a three-way pullback now or whether it keeps drifting down and makes a three-way pullback later, it doesn't really matter as long as we're ready for the three-way pullback when it happens. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.